Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a delicious shrimp and scallops recipe that is perfect for those following a keto diet. To start, we'll heat up some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Next, we'll add in minced garlic and cook it for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. Now, it's time to add in our shrimp and scallops, making sure they are evenly spread out in the skillet. We'll season them with some salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. Cook the shrimp and scallops for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are cooked through and nicely browned. While the seafood cooks, we'll melt some butter in a separate saucepan for our buttery garlic sauce. Add in minced garlic, let it cook for a minute, and then whisk in some heavy cream. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. Now, we'll add in grated Parmesan cheese and stir until it melts and incorporates into the sauce. To serve, we'll spoon the buttery garlic sauce over a bed of cauliflower rice and top it with the shrimp and scallops. Garnish with some fresh parsley or chives for added freshness and serve immediately. This dish is not only low in carbs but also packed with protein, making it a perfect meal for those on a keto diet. The flavors of the garlic sauce perfectly complement the delicate seafood, resulting in a truly satisfying and delicious dish. You can easily customize this recipe by adding in some sautéed veggies or switching out the cauliflower rice for zucchini noodles. Whether you're following a keto diet or simply looking for a healthy and flavorsome meal, this shrimp and scallops recipe is a must-try. Don't forget to visit the link below this video for a free keto recipes cookbook and a 7-day keto diet training course. Thanks for watching.